Ya, aku dengar harga iPhone naik, boy.
Betul ya. Satu iPhone tu boleh jadi 10,000. Oh, tarif Donald Trump ni tak boleh lah.
Hey, what's up, homies?
Uish.
Korang sembang apa tu?
Kami tengah sembang tentang apa? Donald Trump dengan apa ya?
Dia bagi tarif.
Oh, tarif.
Oh, that shit ain't fair though. This is too much for real though. Dia ingat fine shit though, naikkan tarif tu. Make and looking good though with this white hair. Freaking nasi lemak though. Bro,
Oh,
Travis just drop a dope track bro. Kau dengar ke belum?
apa benda tu?
Travis though, that shit fine though. Look at my eyes, let me sing that song bro.
Benar merepek
Tell me you tell, you see the road, the map to my soul. Look at me, silent when I blow. This song though.
Memang budak punya pop betul lah.
Ya, aku rasa aku nak pergi tuition English lah ya.
Betul juga. Muat dah dekat dah. Aku pun setakat bahasa utara ni boleh lah. English tak bagus sangat. Tak nak pergi mana?
What you saying though? English that ain't hard though. You ain't need any tuition or classes though. Homies help homies. I can help you though.
Oh, betul. Kalau macam tu, hang eja sikit. Memang kesuai.
Hold up, homie. Look at my eyes and my soul. You will never watch. I'm not changing time. Goodbye, the rock.